This is our new washing machine. Do you know how to use it?
Hello, Ayan. How are you?
I am fine.
Can I sit here?
Yes, you can.
Okay, thank you. Ayan, do you have same-day laundry service?
Yes, I do. How many clothes do you have?
Just only one bag. How much it will cost?
Washing is $5 per bag and ironing is $3 extra.
Okay, that's perfect. How much time it will take?
You can collect in the evening.
Okay, thank you. So, wash and iron them. Okay, check it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye-bye.